Jigger versus shot glass. Which is best for measuring liquor? When you order a drink at the bar, you might notice the bartender directly pouring into a glass or using a small tool to measure the liquor. Do you know which one is the jigger and which is the shot glass? Here are the key differences between these two bartending tools. A jigger can have one or two sides. A jigger is a small bar tool shaped like an hourglass with two ends acting as a vessel and a measuring device. One side measures 1.5 ounces and is known as the jigger shot. The other side measures 1 ounce, known as the pony shot, given its smaller capacity. Contrary to double-sided jiggers, single jiggers only have one side, so they look like tiny cups. They are great for people who prefer their measurements only on one side to avoid confusion. The jigger is the most used measuring tool in bartending. While other bartenders like to pour drinks here and there freely, some want to have more precision, so they use the jigger to perfect their cocktails. Some jiggers also feature etched calibration marks to ensure accurate measurements at all times. Large jiggers can measure 1 ounce on one side and 2 ounces on the other. There are two kinds of double jiggers, the Japanese jigger and bell jigger. Its recognizable shape is that of two cones joined at the tip. One side is slightly larger than the other, measuring 1.5 ounces, while the other side measures 1 ounce. Others may have larger capacities, at 2 ounces on one side and 1 ounce on the other. A shot glass usually measures 1 to 1.5 ounces. There is no standard measurement of the typical shot glass, but some may range from 1 to 1.5 ounces. There are also different types of shot glasses, each with varying measures of its own. The shot glass is used to serve liquor. This tiny glass is a vessel for spirits meant to be consumed in a single gulp. While it is mainly a serving glass, some bartenders also use shot glass as a measuring tool. Its name was derived from the term shot, meaning a drink of alcohol back in the 17th century. The jigger and shot glass are sometimes used interchangeably, but the jigger is well known in the bartending world as the measuring tool, while the shot glass is recognized as a serving glass. It is important to note that both may be used as a measuring tool, but only the shot glass is used to serve drinks. No matter which bar tool you choose, it all boils down to how well you execute your measuring procedures, so practice your pour and follow the recipe. Did this video give you clarity on the differences between a jigger and a shot glass? Which of the two is your favorite for measuring liquor? Let us know in the comments.